Hello everyone, this is Nitin Mohur, and here in this video we are going to understand the concept of AC voltage measurements. While measuring AC voltage using D'Arsenal moment or permanent magnet moving coil meter or basic meter, due to passing of alternating current through the coil, it produces constantly varying deflection in the coil, and thus it's difficult to take the reading. Hence, DC voltmeter with some modifications can be used for the measurement of AC voltages. Basic principle of AC voltmeter is to rectify AC voltage. To rectify AC voltage means to convert pure AC into pulsating DC or DC. The rectified output is then applied to permanent magnet moving coil movement or meter. The modification done are of three types: bridge rectifier, half wave rectifier, and full wave rectifier. Here first we are going to see the bridge rectifier type AC voltmeter. You can see the bridge type arrangement of 4 diodes. It is a multi-range AC voltmeter, and here you can see the supply is applied from positive. In between positive and negative, the supply is applied AC voltage to be measured. This is the pointer which can be connected here or here or here, and accordingly the resistances RS1 plus RS2 plus RS3 or RS2 plus RS3 or only RS3 comes in series with this bridge, and here at the output a basic meter is connected. The bridge rectifier converts AC to DC voltage read by the DC voltmeter. Remaining circuit is same as that of the multi-range DC voltmeter. Since the DC voltage from the rectifier is given to the basic meter moment, it can show steady deflection of the pointer, and the main problem which was there in AC voltage measurement, that the fluctuations of the pointer because of the flow of current in both the direction during each half will be avoided. Meter reads average value of the voltage, and the scale of meter is calibrated in terms of the RMS value of the voltage. By connecting proper multiplier resistance in the circuit, multiplier means this series resistances in the circuit, AC voltage of different range can be measured. The drawbacks associated with this circuit, the first one is resistance of rectifier element, that is diodes, depends on the temperature. So as the temperature changes, there are the changes in the resistance of the resistance of the diode, and that resistance may add to the series resistances, which may lead to the erroneous output or erroneous reading at the voltmeter. Rectifier being non-linear device, it affects the sensitivity of the meter. Now here, as we have seen in the multi-range DC voltmeter, for example, we will consider the switch position as shown in the figure, that it is connected over here. So in that case, during positive half cycle, when this will be positive and this will be negative terminal, the current will start like this, it will go like this, it will flow through RS2, RS3, and from this point it will flow through diode D1, because it will be forward bias at that time. It will come to point A. From A, current will flow through the meter, it will go to point B. From point B it will enter into D3, and then it will come to negative terminal of the battery. Similarly, during negative half cycle, when this terminal will be negative and this terminal will be positive, at that time the current will start from positive like this. From here it will enter into D2. From here it will again flow in the same direction through the meter, will come to the point B, and from point B it will flow through D4, and then through RS3 and RS2 it will come back to the negative. So during both the half cycle, the current flows through the meter, and that too in same direction, and that's why the pointer shows correct output, or the voltmeter of pointer shows the correct output, and you will get the correct reading of the AC voltmeter. Then moving on to half wave rectifier type multi-range AC voltmeter. Here the concept of half wave rectifier is used, and for that purpose the diode D1 and D2 are used. Rest of the things are very similar to the previous diagram. The moment or meter receives only half of the rectifier current here. Resistors RSH, that is series resistances, improves the rectifier operation and also acts as a meter shunt. During positive half cycle of the input, when this will be positive and this will be negative, the current will flow like this. It will go through RS1, RS2, RS3, and from here it will flow through D2 and will come back to negative. So no current flows through the meter. While during negative half cycle, D1 conducts. During negative half cycle, this will be negative and this will be positive. So current will start like this. It will go through the meter, will go through D1, and then from here it will come back to here. So during negative half cycle, D1 conducts, hence current flows through the meter and meter will show the reading. Deflection of the meter is proportional to the average value current in negative half cycle. This is all about the AC voltmeter or AC voltage measurement by using multi-range AC voltmeter. So the concept of half wave rectifier and bridge rectifier for the measurement of AC voltage is clear to you. Thank you.